everybody. In today's video we're going to figure out how to add the IOTEX network to Metamask. So before further ado, try to make sure you have Metamask downloaded. Just Google Metamask and click download and you'll be good to go. Set up your account. Make sure to not share your passphrase with anybody of your friends, anyone on the internet out there. So yeah, simply it's going to be connecting IOTEX. So make sure also that Metamask does not verify the custom networks. So you are responsible on verifying them by other websites or anything like that. So as I said, for the name, it does not really matter. So first of all, head to the extension right up here, as you can see by the cursor, click it, and you will be able to find something just like this. All you have to do is click the add network right here, copy the name, or as I said, you can do whatever name you want. We're going for the IOTEX. After that, we have this following URL that I'm gonna spell for you. It's https://babel-apy.mainnet.iotx1io. The chain IDN is 4689 and the symbol is IOTX. The block Explorer URL does not really matter. As I said, make sure to verify this information by just googling RPC URL for the IOTEX. But yeah, with that said, you guys, that's what we think about all of this in the comment section. I'd love to hear all of your ideas, all of your opinions, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day.